Hey everybody, it's Brian. Hey, I had my arm surgery a couple days ago. You can see I'm in this fancy plaster arm splint. I don't know how long I'm gonna have to wear it for, but fortunately, I think I got just enough movement out of my fingers and arm over here that I'll be able to use my controller to try to fly around my backyard. So nothing spectacular today, just gonna fly around my backyard for a battery or two. My arm's hurting, but you know, I think about flying, it's kind of like therapy for me to get out and put the goggles on and fly around every day. So I think it'll be good for me. So yeah, my wife's out here hanging out with me. She's gonna help me if I need any help. And yeah, you ready? Let's go fly. All right, everybody, I got my goggles on. I think my arm, I literally have like just barely enough range of movement in my hand and my left throttle hand to do this. So I think I can do it. We'll see. All right, you ready? We'll do arm in 3, 2, 1, arm. And we'll take off. So I can do the up and down throttle motion pretty easily, but the left and right is a little bit more difficult. Behind the scenes shot, Mary. There we go. Yeah, I definitely don't have as much mobility. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. All right. Windy out there. I feel like I should I should rotate the camera back on this too to get the angle a little bit higher. I don't know. This is good that I'll be able to go out and do this every so often while I'm recovering. Was he peeing? Did I scare him? Squeaka, squeaka. I don't know if I could hear my dog squeaking on the microphone or not. He's just playing with his squeaky toy. My battery's getting low. I might just fly one battery, Mary. My arm's hurting. Yeah. Alright everybody, well thanks for tuning in, and we're just having fun together here. I appreciate you tuning in and watching. Thanks for all the well wishes for my recovery from everybody. And hopefully I'll be able to get out and do some more flying here in the near future. Until then, thanks for watching, Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. All right.